Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Coco and I'm back with another video. So as you can see by the title, I'm going to be collabing with Alikay Naturals and I'm going to be doing a braided Frohawk. So I just got out of the shower. I'm going to style my hair with the products that they sent me. So I'm just going to go over them first, and then my mom will be in the video braiding my hair because y'all know I cannot braid, but my mom is great, so she's the one who always braids my hair and stuff. In my other video, she did cornrow ponytail. You could check that after this video if you want. So yeah, so they sent me 4 of their products. So okay, so I'll go through each one. And specifically, I'm going to go over the Shea Yogurt Hair Moisturizer because this is the star of the show today, girl. So let's see. The first one I'm going to be putting in my hair is the Lemongrass Leave-In Conditioner, and it contains all natural ingredients. It's for kinky, curly, wavy, and straight hair, so anybody can use it. This is how the leave-in looks. It is a spray, so we have to just spray it in. So I'm going to take my hair out and apply product. Okay, so I'm going to start with the leave-in and put it all in my hair, and then we'll start with the other products. Let's give it a spritz. Okay, so after washing your hair, spray on wet hair. Be sure to saturate each strand of hair to ensure proper coverage. Gotta get it in there. This leave-in smells great. So my hair is pretty saturated in this leave-in conditioner spray. Feels really good. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Shea Yogurt Hair Moisturizer. So this is the Shea Yogurt Hair Moisturizer. I have a little fun fact sheet for the Shea Yogurt so you guys can get more insight. So this won't cause any buildup. It's a non-greasy formula, and a little goes a long way. And another tip for this is to warm it up in your hands and then put it in your hair. So I'm gonna try that. Moisturizer also contains natural ingredients, like I said before. So it has shea butter, raw shea butter, argan oil, rosemary, wheat germ oil, and coconut oil. So pretty good product. I'm excited to try it out. So let's see how this goes. Sealed. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like Laffy Taffy. Oh my god, it smells so good. So as you can see, it has a shea butter consistency. It is more on a harder type of side, but I really like shea butter in my hair. So since it is shea butter, a little does go a long way. So like she said, warm it up in your hands. So I'm gonna just do like that and wait till the product liquefies, and then I will put it on my hair. Just warm it up again, and I'm gonna scrunch some of the moisturizer in, then right back down. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. You guys, like, this stuff smells so good. Like, my hair is about to smell amazing.
So good. Add a little bit more. I really like it. I already see
Some definition building. So after the Shea Yogurt hair moisturizer, she also sent me the aloe berry styling gel. So this is the gel. Pretty cute. This is also sealed. Oh my god, this looks like slime. My sister will go crazy over it. Wow. Now you guys have to see this. It's a hot pink. It looks orange, but it's like a slime. And I love this already. And the glob I took from the camera. Rub it right in. Okay, so she also sent me a glazed argan oil silkener. This is how it looks like. And obviously it's infused with argan oil, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel. It's a botanical blend of ingredients, girl. So I'm going to use this after my hair is braided and stuff, because my mom is going to use it in my scalp. So I will be right back and we'll get into the Frohawk. So hi guys, this is my mom.
Hi.
And what are you going to be doing?
I'm going to be corn rolling the sides of her hair, and we're going to be using this aloe berry styling gel.
Yeah, and that's what I used in my hair before I started. So yeah,
Let's get started.
Yeah.
Torgat.
17.
Torgat.
17.
Torgat.
17.
Torgat.
17.
Okay, so my mom finished both sides of my hair. So we're gonna add the argan oil gel in my hair. We're gonna add it for more shine. And okay, so I'm going to add some more product and then diffuse, and I'll be back when my hair is dry. Okay, so this is the final result. I am so happy with it. Thank you to my mom for doing my hair. It looks so nice. I added some clips. I will link the clips in the description about what I put in my hair, because they're like some clear clips and you just clamp it and it'll create a Frohawk illusion. So my hair is not officially dry yet, so it's still a little damp, but I really like how the Alikay Naturals set with my hair, how I made my hair really shiny. I'm gonna add a little bit of the oil on my hair right now just to make it shiny, and I love putting oils in my hair. So let me add a little. Really, it's like a squirt, so like it squirts out. It's not like a spray. It squirts in your hand. Then after adding that oil, just wanted to add more pop of shine. I really like the products that Alikay Naturals sent me. Thank you, Alikay Naturals, for believing in me and asking me to collab with you guys. I really appreciate it. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Gel and the moisturizer really made my hair really defined. This shea yogurt hair moisturizer, like the shea butter in it, made my hair feel very nourished and moisturized, just like how it says here. So if you guys would like more videos like this with my mom, or like, you know, different styles, let me know in the comments. And yes, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.